Continuing in the discussion of asset and liability protection, let's talk about some simple ways that you might use these strategies in your own estate planning. The first of these is just to take advantage of things that are automatically protected by state law. So Texas calls these exempt assets, and you don't need to do anything special because they're automatically protected. Let's talk about a few of those. First of all, your home, or what we call your homestead. That's the place where you live. It's your permanent address. That is automatically protected regardless of the value. Now, there's a few exceptions to the homestead exemption. If you have a loan on your house, or if you have a home loan, your mortgage, then the bank that provided that loan can foreclose on the property if you don't pay your home loan. The IRS and the county are also exceptions to that. So as long as you pay your property tax, your federal income tax, and your house payment, your home is going to be protected. Other things that are automatically protected would be retirement accounts, life insurance, annuities, personal property, that's the stuff in your house, your current wages, the tools that you might use in your trade or profession. Those things are automatically protected. Notably, there's a few things that are not on that protected list. Your investment accounts, a brokerage account, stock that you might have in a corporation, those things are not protected. So if you have those, we need to use another strategy. One of those might be the use of an insurance policy. And here we often call this an umbrella policy or a general liability policy. So this would be a policy that's additional to maybe the home insurance, the auto insurance that you have. And that's another way that you can protect assets is through insurance. Or a third category might be the use of a legal structure that we create purposefully to protect assets. So here we'll often think in terms of a limited liability company, also known as an LLC, or perhaps a limited partnership, also known as an LP. So when we use these strategies, we will create the entity with the Secretary of State. We will transfer assets. Maybe that's a brokerage account, maybe it's stock, maybe it's a piece of real estate that you have. We will transfer those assets into this company, the LLC, and let the company structure provide that asset protection. So in some simple ways you can protect your things, there are automatic protections that you don't do anything for using our exempt assets. Number 2 is insurance, and number 3 is a legal structure. In future video, we're going to talk more about the nuances of LLCs and limited partnerships and how those can offer additional planning opportunities for you in your estate planning. Hope that helps. Have a great day.